Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to save your private Instagram without following them. So how can I do that? Let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you're there, make sure you are logged into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And from here, just head over to any private account. I'm heading over to this one. As you can see, this account is private. We need to follow this account to see their post and videos. So once we follow them and they accept a request, then we can see their post and videos. So yeah, this is how you can view private Instagram without following them. But this is not the way we can do that. What we need to do is just head over to the search section. Make sure you know a specific place they have recently visited. Then head over to their place and you might found their post or their photos in here because they have tagged that specific place on their post. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.